Hi everyone, welcome to Airdrop Insider, your trusted source for the latest crypto opportunities. I'm Adam, and today we're diving into one of the most critical topics for anyone in the crypto space: how to choose a reliable crypto wallet in 2025. In this video, I'll help you pick the right wallet to keep your digital assets safe. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, you'll learn about the types of wallets, the key features to look for, and my top recommendations for beginners and advanced users. And as always, if you have questions or need help, you can reach out to me on Telegram. I'm here to provide advice and support on this and other crypto topics. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to connect. Your crypto wallet is more than just an app or device. It's your first line of defense against hackers and scams. That's why choosing the right one is absolutely critical. There are two main types of wallets to consider: hot wallets, which are online and perfect for frequent transactions, and cold wallets, which are offline and offer unbeatable security for long-term storage. When choosing a wallet, focus on these three key factors. Number 1. Security features. Look for two-factor authentication, seed phrase backups, and encryption. Number 2. Supported assets. Make sure the wallet supports the cryptocurrencies you hold or plan to trade. Number 3. Usability and accessibility. A simple, intuitive interface is a must, especially for beginners. Now let's compare three popular wallets in 2025. Number 1. MetaMask. Ideal for interacting with dApps and DeFi protocols. Perfect for Ethereum-based tokens. Number 2. Trust Wallet. Known for its multi-chain support and beginner-friendly design. Great for diverse portfolios. Number 3. Ledger Nano X. A top-notch hardware wallet for offline storage with Bluetooth connectivity. Perfect for advanced users who prioritize security. Each has its strengths, so the right choice depends on your needs. For beginners, I recommend starting with a simple and secure option like Trust Wallet. It's intuitive and supports a wide range of tokens. For advanced users, the Ledger Nano X is unbeatable for offline security, especially if you're holding large amounts of crypto or trading frequently. And remember, if you're still unsure or have questions, you can always contact me on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Let's connect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest crypto insights.